Reddit user Justin says that he and his family recently bought and moved into a historic 1800s terrace house in London, England. During renovations, Justin says his doorbell security camera caught something really creepy.
What's that? Car thief. Coming back.
Around 10 p.m. at night, someone or something can be seen quickly taking a peek at Justin's front door.
That's creepy, isn't it?
And whoever or whatever it is appears to walk past the car in the driveway before disappearing off camera.
So you never know them Ring doorbells, because sometimes when they film it doesn't look perfect, especially at night.